Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to share a superfood khichdi. This superfood is nothing but quinoa. Quinoa is a seed grain and not a cereal grain. Quinoa contains high quality protein as it has all the 9 essential amino acids. Hence, we are going to replace a high starchy carbohydrate cereal grain like rice with high protein seed grain quinoa. You can have this quinoa khichdi for your lunch or dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of quinoa and half cup of yellow split moong dal. Add some water into it. Wash and rinse it thoroughly a couple of times until water runs clear and discard the water after each rinse. Rinsing the quinoa helps to release the bitter natural coating called saponin. After rinsing, add some water again. Stir it once and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, discard this water and add it to the pressure cooker. Then add 3 cups of water, half teaspoon of pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, spread it well and heat it. Now add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Let them splutter. Saute it once. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Fry these ginger and garlic well until they are browned and nice aroma from it comes out. Now add 1 medium-sized onion slices and 2 chopped green chilies. Fry the onion slices well till they become brown and translucent. Now add few curry leaves and saute it again once. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped French beans, 1/4 cup of chopped carrot, 1/4 cup of chopped beetroot and finally 1/4 cup of chopped green capsicum. Fry the veggies well until they become soft and tender. Then add 1/4 cup of boiled green peas and 2 cups of finely chopped palak leaves. Mix the palak leaves well with the veg mixture and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell from the leaves goes out. Then add 1 teaspoon of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all these powders well with the palak and veg mixture. Now add 1 cup of water into it. Mix it once. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Mix it again and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the water is 80% absorbed. Now add the cooked quinoa and dal mixture into it. Mix it well. Now it is done. Then take out into a serving bowl. Now our super healthy, high protein and fiber rich quinoa khichdi is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.